Day 1, we will start with the training program versus training drills. Training program is the whole program and the drills is about a partially of the stroke. So we will do for freestyle drills and breaststroke drills. And also there is a diving skill to improve their skill, how to be corrected. Day 2, DIY drinks and general knowledge. We'll teach them how to make themselves isotonic drinks by reducing the sugar contents and the sugar level so that there's a quality of isotonic drinks is generated. We'll introduce them how to do the medley relay and individual medley. Day 3, Enhancement and Enrichment. Teacher will introduce you the fitness rules and also the development of a swimmer. So there is a chart there to make the swimmer understand how to make themselves to develop to a good swimmer. Teacher will introduce you how to do the VO2 max by calculating following by the chart to achieve a velocity of good at maximum oxygen output. There is also a stroke correction for those swimmers they are weak in to make sure that they are completely understand how the stroke can perform, and teacher will introduce some massage technique to them to reduce their pain when they are facing their joint pain or muscle pain. To attend this course, the student need to be prerequisite for at least 2 swimming strokes.
这个活动帮助了我很多技巧上的进步，也让我的游泳技术更加理想。希望你们也会来参加哦。